What's up, YouTube? Good morning and happy Monday, happy new week. Hope you all had a great weekend. Yeah, my name is Apex Trader again, and today I got exciting news for everybody. We're starting off the week large, we're starting off the week good. So, kicking off, I'm gonna start with analyzing the DXY, and yes, I have changed my chat. I have changed it. I want to just change a little bit of color, so it doesn't matter. I might still put things back the way it is. I just want to see how the colors would be, trying new different colors. Anyway, so not much things to discuss, but I do have little updates on the DXY, the market and how the market should move probably this week or probably for October as a whole, and then what we should expect as usual. I did a video on Friday talking about what we should expect from the market. If the market actually, does its thing or does, really goes as planned, whether it goes south, it goes north, but we should know what to expect. And today, making another video, but I'll be talking extensively on, the forex pairs, and I'll still dabble into crypto at the end of the video. Today, looking at DXY, I came across something again on the weekly time frame. I did not point this out the last time I did the video, so if you're watching it, there's also a plus. I did not point this out. Okay, so I started from here. I scrolled down to this zone here, and that's why I found this my point of view. But after looking closer again at the chart, I noticed this place, this this area right here, and then I noticed that on the weekly time frame, we've only had shall I say, the price come down to this level here, but not really. I could call that place a support. And if price is really going to test this level, the second, I mean, it went up, it tested it a little bit. So there's the first and there's the second time. I really think that, yeah, this is a key level for DXY 99. And then maybe a break below this level would, would cause DXY to really drop. But regardless of that, I still believe that DXY, yes, is gonna go. Is bearish on the long run. It looks bearish, but through the little runs and short bull run that might happen, we might be seeing some green flags, regardless of where what the news says. But again, I still feel DXY or the dollar index is pretty much bearish. So yeah, we have this. Let me delete this nigga here. Delete this. Yep. So if you notice, we have this touch right here, and then there is no other candle around here. And if we look at our daily time frame, right after, if we are to say let's clear liquidity, right? If we were to clear liquidity, we took the gap from here, and then we're coming down to clear this liquidity. Okay, let's just say this is our sell stop around this area here. I think it is, shall I say, proficient or prominent that price should be reaching to clear this level as well. So I think we should still be seeing bearish movement. But again, there is a news coming up today. There is a news coming up today. That's today is the 30th. And that is Fed Chair Powell speaks. He is speaking today, 6:55 p.m. I think this is prior to my time. Uh, don't know. I need to change the time here. Okay, let me just leave that. Yeah, this is prior to U.S. time zone. Yeah, U.S. time zone. So, 6:55 p.m. around that time, and then that's when he's going to speak. And I did try to look for some article to see what we should expect, and I got a whole bunch, but I had to summarize this. So, this is going to be a very boring video, but I mean, if you know what you're looking for, so you can stick around. So this is a little summary I got. Okay, so Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. So that's what it's going to be about. And the Federal Reserve is, let me highlight this. So the Federal Reserve is considering another large interest rate cut in November, and the upcoming economic indicators will influence these decisions, as Jerome Powell's speech Okay, the Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell will address economists on Monday. His speech will focus on the U.S. economic outlook and September job report. And he also said, it also says here, the September job report is expected to show a healthy but moderating labor market. Payrolls are projected to increase by 146,000. The unemployment rate is expected to remain at 4.2. Hold up, trying to put my phone in do not disturb. Okay, the unemployment rate is expected to remain at 4.2. Average hourly earnings are expected to increase by 3.8%, and then we also have labor interest, right? So he said there's a recent labor unrest, such as the Boeing strike and potential dock worker strike, may affect the accuracy of the September job report. That's the job opening data. And okay, so job opening data for August is expected to show a decline. Economists will analyze the quit rate and dismissals to gauge the cooling in labor demand. So this is the people I got the article from, or should I say the blog Boomerang Economics View. So and they are saying um, Boomerang economic experts a strong headline print for September non-farm payroll. However, they believe that the headline figure may overstate the labor market strength due to factors like the BSL, that's BLS, birth date model, and temporary seasonal effects. Overall, the text suggests that the upcoming economic indicator will provide valuable information for the Federal Reserve as they make decisions about interest rate cuts. While the labor market appears to be healthy, there are signs of moderation and potential disruption from labor unrest. Okay, I remember I said it's going to be boring, but okay, this is where we should focus on. You see these numbers here, these are the numbers we should focus on. Okay, so it says the September job report is expected to show a healthy but moderating labor market. So if the data that comes out on the job report is not healthy, you should know that we're going to have a bad market. If the payroll is not close to this number, it's not even at this number, you know we're going to have a bad market. And if the employment rate is you see it says expected to remain at 4.2, probably lower, okay, probably lower because expenditure rates are supposed to go down. If it's higher than 4.2, I guess we should have a bad economy. So that's just that. I'm not going to put my own opinion out there. You just tell me what you think. I'm just analyzing and telling you guys what to expect. So that those are the news that I think that I feel would affect the dollar. And remember when I've been saying the dollar would go bearish strongly, and those are the things that I'm saying that will say yes, the dollar will go bearish strongly. All right. So that's that about the DXY. If you have any other analysis, or if you can just tell me what you think in the comment section below. What do you think? Would the DXY go bullish? Would the DXY go bearish? What will happen to the DXY? All right, and I'll listen. Another news is the gold. Let's see what's been happening on gold. Yep, where is it? Where is? All right, see my gold here. All right, so gold is still going very bullish on the weekly time frame. So let's go to the daily. On the daily now, we are looking at gold. And remember when I said we should be expecting a drop off, right? When I said we should be expecting a drop, and now we are seeing the drop. We are seeing the drop on gold. Now the point is, where is gold going to get to? And I'm still saying we should be coming back down to 2004 30 or 2004, yeah, let's just say 2004 30, 2004 40, around this area. I still believe gold is going to drop more, or even if gold doesn't drop up to that area, I think we can take a sell from here. If you're going to short gold, okay, it's still safe to short gold from wherever you are now, and probably down to this zone here and around two. Let me take this right around this area. We have gaps here. I don't think we should not aim for this area. So we could aim for this area and aim for this liquidity here. If we aim for the liquidity around here, liquidity sweep around here. Okay, This is a good zone to aim for gold. So we should be trying to short gold if you're trying to short gold. I mean, not really long term, but just for the so we can short good from here to here. Probably you can start taking profit from here around this area. And even if it does decline, I don't know how long gold is going to short, but you know how I've been saying it on this channel that we should be expecting some strong bearish movement from gold. And yeah, that's that. Let's look at Euro, GBP, JPY. I mean GBP. Let's first check Euro USD. Euro USD. All right. Let's just use this one. Okay, so the Euro USD has actually been dominating in a way. It has been going up and now it is going sideways. If you look at the daily, you see that it has been going sideways. But how far are we going to go with Euro USD? I still believe that we're still going to come up at 1.13. I mean 1.1, yeah, 1.13176 around this area. I still believe we're going to come up around that area. And we look, let me get to this point of that. We have to go back in time. Yeah. Okay. So, yep, as I said, 1.13 around that area. We should be targeting around that area. Alright, there's a gap around here. Just a little gap. Alright. So, let me drag this, extend this. Man, it's not easy. Ooh, small screen. I need to get the bigger screen. All right. So you see there is a gap around that area, and I still believe that we are going to touch or clear that gap, and I'm still believing Euro USD is going to be bullish. So expect more bullish returns from Euro USD if and especially when the DXY start dropping large, or should I say start dropping, and maybe the stock market is crashing or the DXY is crashing, or maybe the economy is bad and things just start dropping. I should expect currency pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, XAUSD, even Gold 2 might also do well. And yeah, that's just it. So, as again, I just say Euro USD is still looking bullish to me. I've been talking about this for a long time and it's still looking bullish to me. All right. So that's that about that. If you're taking any trade, I'm not. You should know what you are gonna analyze, all right? So because I say it's bullish doesn't mean you should just jump in and buy. Okay, you have to analyze for yourself and check. I'm just here to tell you what's happening or tell you what to expect. Okay, so I still believe that we should be coming over to here. So if you're still around here, if you're seeing this market around here, and you can find an entry around the zone, you can always look for a way to enter. Probably take profit around here. Don't be greedy. Take profit around there. You don't have to aim for the zone here. You can take profit around here. Take a minor profit before it's too late. Okay, and then we can check GBP USD, or we should just jump into Bitcoin BTC. Let me do Bitcoin, not BTC. I want Bitcoin US. I want Bitcoin Theta, not US dollars. Ah, shit. All right. Hold up. I want the Bitcoin Theta because that's why I have my annotations. All right. Okay, so again, as I did say earlier, we should be expecting some little sell off from Bitcoin. I mean, we have to cool off at some point. Okay, we have to cool off at some point, and that's what we're seeing. So I'm not panic. I'm not panic. This is okay. This is really okay for me. We might clear up this zone here, but I don't know where we'll go to. But I think after this week, we'll know where Bitcoin is going to after the Fed, the Fed and Powell is speaking. We would know where Bitcoin is really going to. But again, I still believe we're coming off to like 72, 73, 74, 75 around that area. I still believe we're going to get to that zone, but it's just a matter of when. So if you're holding Bitcoin or you want looking for a long trade, just be patient. The trade will come. The trade will come on its own. It's not gonna take. It's not gonna take long. Man, I should be able to use my keypad. All right, not on my phone no more. On the laptop, bro. All right. Okay, so as I did say, we should be looking for a cool off, and I think the nearest cool off is this zone here. So if you're seeing Bitcoin drop to 61,560, don't be afraid, don't panic, sell. You can keep holding. It's probably just smart money trying to take out, some, just to take out some orders or whatever. The algorithm doing its thing. So don't be afraid. It's To me, I don't see any reason for alarm. I mean, yes, a big spike, and maybe because I'm not in the trade, I'm still monitoring it before we enter. But still, it's still a big spike, and nothing to be worried about for me. You know, I can't just jump into the market because I see it's gonna happen. You have to take your time. Take your time, work very hard. All right, so that's that about that. That's that for Bitcoin. We're still gonna top down to probably 61K. I don't know. But again, I just want to see how this will play out by the end of the week. We already have this long, this week's coming off today, and the market looking good so far. I mean, it's dropping out, creating more orders and creating more, flow of money, buy, sell, everything. Everything is going smoothly. I mean, it's bad. I mean, a lot of people would have been losing money by like this, but still, how things are going. I mean, if I go back to my Dodge, I bought Dodge as well. Let's go back to Dodge. Okay, so again, I'm like everything is going smoothly because on the Dodge, I still say the Dodge should be going down. I sent this to the WhatsApp group. Again, if you're not part of the WhatsApp community, you're missing a lot. Make sure you join. The link is in the description below. So I did say we should be. I think I posted this yesterday. Yeah, I did post it yesterday, and I did say we should be expecting this down movement. I don't know where it's going to stop. I don't think it will stop here. I believe we should be coming down to this zone, and I bought at the zone, all right. But I did say DCA, so I'm still gonna buy when it comes down here. I'll buy a whole lot more when it comes down here. I don't believe it's going to drop anything going below this. And whoosh, I think I'll just rest for a while, then probably when it tops up again. But again, I'm like, once it comes down here, I'll buy. Okay, definitely, I'm gonna take profit around this area. This is a very good time to get Dodge. Okay, let's just be analytics. Okay, I don't know about any news or fundamental or any community. I'm not even in any Dodge community. Okay, this just I see the chat, I understand the chat, I trade the chat. Okay, so that's just what I'm doing. If I'm seeing this and I'm like, we could be going big right now. Okay, I don't know what the project manager is saying. I don't know what the devils are saying, but what I'm seeing here is good. So I did see this and I'm like, okay, I'll buy a little right here just in case, and then I'll still buy once it comes down to the zone. And it is coming down to the zone. If it's any closer to the zone, I'll buy it again. If it's inside the zone, I'll buy it again. If it dips around this level, yeah, I'll buy it again. Because why? There's so much money to be made. I'm buying at a very low price, and even if it does plummet down, I'm still cool because why I'm buying, I'm DCing into it. So I probably bought some around here. I probably got some around here. I mean, I did buy around here one time. Remember when I was saying it? I did buy around here. I sold around here, and it dipped. I bought around here, and I'm still pushing it. Okay, we're pushing it. All right. So that's that about that. So let me know what you think. What currency pair would you like me to do an analysis on? What do you think is going to happen in the market? Are we going to see a very very green market before December, or are we just gonna cry? I hope we don't cry. Regardless, up or down, our own goal is to make money. All right, guys. See you in the next one.